with the stage winner and Cerrone sharing the podium at the end of that 9th stage. On to stage number 10. Good pace at this time. You can see the field, the peloton stretched out in a very long configuration. Means that somebody's got the hammer down up front. That someone is this man right here.
This is Riccardo Magrini. He's a comedian, this rider. He's one of those that everybody likes, and he's got quite a sense of humor and will come up with some of the weirdest things in the middle of the pack. Yet he's a very competitive rider. He just retired about a month ago.
Warre of Denmark is one of the riders that has swept past Magrini, and Warre has also raced in the United States, taking a place in the U.S. Professional Championships in Philadelphia a couple of years ago, when Eric Heiden was the winner.
8 kilometers from the finish here.
That is, I believe, Warre right there.
Petersen, il danese, reverberi dopo Warre lancia all'attacco Petersen, ma non gli concede spazio il gruppo, soprattutto la carrera. Abbiamo visto nelle primissime.
Not much of a lead for this young man here. This is Petersen, not Warre.
Ecco Moroni con Leali.
Leali. The Carrera team is now setting the train up for Bontempi.
And the final kilometer once again. There's a very decisive move down the left side of the road, going into the finish.
Yeah, there was a moment of hesitation there, and this guy attacked on the left, but it doesn't look like it's going to last.
And now the real sprinting begins.
Here's a Gis rider at the front, then a Malwar rider trying to set the sprint up for Alokio.
This looks much different from the front than it does from the air. Here it looks like a total free-for-all, and yet it has a very organized beauty to it. Here comes the sprint. And again, Bontempi taking yet another stage victory. As you said, he goes on to a total of 5.